Hello everyone, Amit Arora from EcoVisioneer. Continuing with the most expected questions of Business Studies class 12th. Today we have chapter 4, that is planning. I hope you have watched the other 3 videos also and you have subscribed to our channel. Before we go on to the questions, I would like to tell you what are the topics to be covered according to CBSE. So we only have to cover 4 topics in planning. We have to go for concept of planning, that is also characteristics of planning. Then we have to go for importance of planning, limitations and the process of planning. तो हमें 4 topic करने हैं. We have to cover only 4 topics in planning. So we'll get questions from this. Before we start with the questions, I would like to inform the students that EcoVisioneer is organizing a mock board exam for students, online board exam. So there you can just test yourself a day before the board exam. It is on 7th of December. Just spending 50 rupees, you will be able to appear in this exam. If you don't have any queries, you can contact the given number, or you can directly go on the EcoVisioneer app and buy the exam from there. I hope this is beneficial for you. Coming to important questions now. Question number 1. Planning is required at all levels of management as well as in all departments of the organization. So planning is dash. Is it continuous, primary, pervasive or futuristic? As it says, it is required at all levels. तो वो रहता है क्या? Pervasive. So the answer is planning is pervasive. हर लेवल पे हर आदमी को प्लान करना पड़ता है. Planning requires application of mind involving requires foresight, intelligent imagination and sound judgment. So planning is dash. Is it futuristic, continuous, mental exercise or a primary function? तो जहां पे application of mind आ गया, intelligence आ गई, so it has to be a mental exercise. ये दोनों क्वेश्चन हमारे characteristics के ऊपर थे. Coming to question number 3, with the following is not an advantage of planning. कौन सी इसमें से planning के advantage नहीं है? It helps in reduction in overlapping and wasteful activities. Yes, it is the advantage. It helps in decision making. Yes. It saves time. No, it's a time consuming process. The reduction in risk of uncertainty. Yes. So therefore, the only option which is not an advantage, it does not save time. It saves time is the wrong answer. Due to demonetization, many companies plan to reduce their production. Few companies can even cut their production by half for 6 months. Which point of importance of planning is indicated from the lines? तो जिन कंपनियों ने प्लान किया होगा how to manage this, तो उन्हें क्या फायदा हुआ होगा? It facilitates decision making, it provides direction, reduces the risk of uncertainty or all of the given. अगर हम स्पेसिफिक बात करें तो few कंपनी जिन्होंने अपनी प्रोडक्शन कट कर दी थी तो उनकी अनसर्टेनिटी कम हो गई थी क्योंकि प्लान्स में ऐसी हालात से निपटने के लिए लिखा हुआ था. सो प्लानिंग हेल्प्स टू रिड्यूस द रिस्क ऑफ अनसर्टेनिटी. कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, रीड द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट एंड आइडेंटिफाई द करेक्ट ऑर्डर. करेक्ट ऑर्डर हियर मींस हमें प्रोसेस का ऑर्डर सही से करना है. सो वी हैव 4 स्टेप्स गिवन टू अस: डेवलपिंग प्रेमिसेस, सिलेक्टिंग एन ऑल्टरनेटिव, इवैल्यूएटिंग ऑल्टरनेटिव कोर्सेज, आइडेंटिफाइंग ऑल्टरनेटिव्स. तो पहले होता है डेवलपिंग प्रेमिसेस इन चारों में से. अदरवाइज द फर्स्ट स्टेप इज सेटिंग ऑफ ऑब्जेक्टिव्स. पर हियर वी हैव डेवलपिंग प्रेमिसेस एज द फर्स्ट, देन वी आइडेंटिफाई द ऑल्टरनेटिव्स, then we evaluate the alternatives and then we select the alternative. So 1, 4, 3 and 2 is the correct answer. Plans decide the future course of action and managers may not be in position to change it. इस पे ध्यान देंगे, managers may not be in a position to change it. Identify the limitation. It reduces creativity, it does not guarantee success, it may not work in dynamic environment or it leads to rigidity. Very much it leads to rigidity because यहाँ पे कहा गया है कि managers are not in a position to change, so they are rigid plans. So the answer is it leads to rigidity. Identify the incorrect statement. Planning involves decision making. True. Planning reduces overlapping and wasteful activities. True. Planning guarantees success. False. Planning involves huge cost. True. तो बाकी 3 ट्रू है. द ओनली फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट इज प्लानिंग गारंटी सक्सेस, whereas planning does not guarantee success. Dash is the step in planning process where other managerial functions also come into the picture. ऐसा कौन सा प्लानिंग का स्टेप है जिसमें और फंक्शन भी आते हैं, लाइक ऑर्गेनाइजिंग, स्टाफिंग, and others. Evaluating alternative courses, selecting an alternative, implementing the plan, or follow-up action. So implementing the plan has other functions also. So the answer is C. While formulating plan, the manager is required to make certain assumptions about the future. In assumptions को क्या कहा जाता है? What are these assumptions called? Are they called premises, deviations, standards, or none of these? So they are called planning premises, the basis, the assumptions. So the answer is A. At what managerial level planning is needed? किस लेवल पे प्लानिंग चाहिए होती है? टॉप, मिडल की लोअर? सो इट इज रिक्वायर्ड एट ऑल लेवल्स ऑफ मैनेजमेंट. तो इधर हमारा आंसर रहेगा ऑल लेवल्स ऑफ मैनेजमेंट. सो प्लानिंग इज रिक्वायर्ड एट ऑल लेवल्स. Coming to extra questions for you students, you can write these answers in your comment sections, and very soon I will write the correct answer there. A plan is framed, it is implemented, and is followed by another plan on the basis of new requirements and future conditions. Which of the following best describes our statement? It focuses on achieving objectives, it is continuous, futuristic, or a mental exercise. तो आपको कुछ खास फ्रेज पे ध्यान देना है. Followed by another plan on the basis of new requirement. I hope you know the answer. Coming to the last extra question, students, to see whether activities are performed according to the schedule is analyzing the alternatives, implementing the plan, setting objectives, or follow-up action. क्या हमारा प्लान सही तरीके से चल रहा है, उसे चेक करना कौन से स्टेप में आता है. So that is your next question which you have to write in the comment section. And students, we are over with the first term almost now, and second term is beginning in the month of January. So we are starting with online coaching for business studies, economics, and pol science students. So batch starts on 20th of December. If you want to join our batch, you can contact the given number. All the best for exam. Take care.